Alright, sorry about that. It seems that I did mess up actually. Showed my blockchain implementation class in the last live stream. It has private keys. Not that I'm hiding the code itself. It just has private keys to my to one of my game wallets. So I will be changing that wallet just in case someone took a screenshot or something. It was not used for much actually, but yeah, moving on. Um, just checking the stream health. Okay, it's not lagging behind by too much, but it's actually decent. The bitrate is 7 megabits or 7 kilobytes. Yeah, that's 7 kilobytes. 7 kilobytes per second. 7 megabits per second. And to get back to work, let's just reshare the links again because of my mess up. Now I have to share again on Telegram, which sucks. Right. Let's do that again. Let's try that again. Yep, let me share that again. And we're done. Let's remove the pin on the old one. Just waiting for the exam to end. Then I will go pray for 5 minutes. It's me, Tough Ball. Nice. Hey, what's up, man? I don't know how to chat in this little box that we have here. It doesn't allow me to. It just shows me the chat. Oh yeah, I'm live streaming, so you can hear me. Yeah, my bad. Man, I'm so smart. Right, let's just do this. Public E reward type. Forgot the E here. Reward type. Public int reward ID int. Whoa, nice. Whoa, what? It's filling everything for me. It's just perfect. Also, these will need to be changed. So, current count. I will have to get rid of this because we do not want to use quest references for everyone that has this quest. It will be kind of annoying. So instead we will use just the quest data. Okay, current count, higher, greater or equal, what? Greater or equal greater than or equal target count is finished. Yeah, let's yeah, this is kind of weird, but I will do it this way. It's nice. If counts is null or counts length less than conditions length, return false. Then we do for integer, okay, conditions is finished, counts if not finished, that means quest is not complete and we return false. Otherwise we return true, that means the quest is indeed complete. Nice work. Yeah, nice. Thanks, man. Spice. Experience and tokens. What else? Yeah, we can reward items. So in this case, for an item reward, the reward ID will be the item ID, reward data will be the item count, and reward count will be the item count, and reward data will be I don't even know what's reward data for. I will just leave it. I know I will have some use for it later on. Okay, this is the quest database, which I will use to check for quest completion. Public static quest reference, get reference, quest ID, first, okay, references, first or default. It's not showing. Okay, quest ID equals what's missing here? So the first quest is kill 10 orc heroes. These are hard-coded quests. Next time we will be having tables here in the database for the quests. Kill 10 orc heroes and receive 200 Leica. Okay, so the quest reward, we need a quest reward per condition, or do we need a quest reward for all conditions? That's the question. Like each condition will give you a specific reward, so that means we can easily have multi-chain quests, like each quest leads to another quest, but they're all quest conditions. You know what, let's just do it. Let's just keep it simple. Quest reward, quest rewards. Yeah, we will do an array of rewards, because we could be wanting to give multiple rewards, like experience and tokens and an item, all three at once. Or we could expand this class and do this public you know what, let's just keep it an array. This will take longer than it should. Okay, new, this is a new quest reward, reward type tokens, reward count is 200, reward ID is Um, what's the ID for tokens? Let's keep it at -1. Well, it's always tokens anyway. Okay, this is the quest reward for this quest. Quest rewards. Reward type equals tokens. Reward count is going to be 400. Reward ID is going to be -1. And in quest rewards for this one, let's add some experience here. This will give you 60 experience and 1000. Okay, new quest reward. Reward type, let's do the experience first. Reward count, that will be 60. Reward ID, let's keep the experience at 0. And the new reward, because this quest has multiple rewards, so this quest will display multiple rewards. Reward type, not quest, tokens. Reward count 1000. Reward ID -1. This one is upgrade the skill to level 3, reach level 10. What's going on here? Oh, because I had this copied and pasted here. Upgrade skill level 3 and receive 120 XP plus 500. Because when you upgrade the skill, you will use tokens to upgrade that skill. We're not sure how much it will be yet, but it will definitely take tokens from you. Reward type. Okay, what? Type equals experience. Let's do the experience first. Reward count 120. Reward ID is 0. What's going on? Reward type. Okay, it knows. Reward ID. Let's do reward count second equals 500. And it's not formatting for some reason. I think it's because my resharper expired. Okay, these are the quest references. Let's do public static bool has completed quest ID and integer, no params, integer condition progress. Let's call this conditions. Get reference quest ID is complete. Conditions progress. Oh, I think that will not work. I think this will pass as an array. Okay, let's not do params here. Yeah, we need this to be passed as an array anyway, or false, because this might be null and we don't want to return nulls. Alright, I will just go pray real quick. I will not end the stream. Maybe I will add some text. Where's the text? Praying time. Man, it's too large. Where's the font size? Font size. Oh, there's no font size. You just scale it like this. Yay. Okay. Yeah, I will be right back. Alright, back. Okay, let's remove the text and get back to work. This is the game capture and this is the display capture. Okay, hold on, I will have to close something. I hope you can't see my screen. Okay, now we should be fine. So yeah, we did the experience and the tokens for this quest. Well, this quest still is not available yet because upgrading a skill is not available yet, but it should be available soon. Right, battle manager. Yeah, this is old code. Commence clash. Got the blockchain implementation here. Tokens get sent using this piece of code. Send test. Just send the wallet and the amount, then the play to earn wallet does the job. Okay, what else? Target, yeah, target requests. Let's add a quest component, dual component, monster data component, observer, NPC data. Yeah, let's do NPC data. It has items that we can sell, but we don't have items, so it only has quests. Where's our bootstrap? There it is. So what we gotta do here is, okay, my keyboard is kind of messed up. Okay, now that's very weird. That will be quest manager component, because we have a quest manager here. Okay, we create the component here. We call it quest manager component, public class ECS entity component. Man, Resharper is messing up my my Visual Studio. I have to click on this. Generate the component IDs. Great. Okay. Public integer array. Quests accepted. So these are the quests this character has, and we store the quest condition progress here. Okay, let's quest condition progress. Multi-dimensional array, and let's also have what else should we do here? Accepted, the progress of the accepted quests, and what else? Yeah, let's leave it at that for now. So when we initialize this component, we need to quests accepted, need it to set to null. Quest condition progress is also null. So these will get initialized when we first select our character, or when we enter the game. Okay, we got the quest manager component working. Let's add a component pool for it. Oh, nice. Yeah, it actually detects everything. We got our systems here for the ECS system on the server side, basic AI system. This is some programming BS if you're someone that does not know what this is. It's just programming. Yeah, let's leave the ECS systems closed. Quest manager. Yeah, let's read the quests. We will have to save the quests in the database. Create a new table. Members quests. You know what? Let's call it actor quests, because I call characters actors. ID. This is the key. Auto increment. How to add the key? Yeah, there's an index primary. Does not allow nulls. Okay, actor ID. This is the actor ID. Does not allow nulls and does not have default value. Quest ID. Should not use capital letters here. Okay, this is the quest ID. Yeah, this is the quest ID, and the progress information, we will have to store it somehow. We could store it as text. Then we parse this text in the server side. Alright, let's. Okay, 1 minute. Alright guys, apparently there's a cake waiting for me downstairs, so I will go get the cake real quick and be right back. Let me show the text. Cake time. Damn it. Okay, I'm back, and I got my cake. I'm assuming it's a cheesecake or not. Okay, let's get back to the quest manager, and let's remove the cake time text. Whoa. Yeah, someone is playing the game and they're getting 18 FPS. That's very low. Participants, I'm alone here. Whoa, have 2 people watching on 646. Chat views, so many views. Alright, let's focus on this. Okay, public. Static int. Okay, let's just do an integer array. That will be parse condition progress, and we will give it a string. Condition progress. Okay, let's var split be condition progress split by comma. This is a comma, yeah. Yeah, that's a comma. Let's say progress. Say varchar and length of 50. That should be enough. Where's the table name? Oh, there it is. Okay, actor quest is also done. Now if we parse this, we will have to do for integer int split the length. You will also have to make sure the values are integer, proper integer. Progress equals integer parse. You know what, let's do this. Integer try parse. Yeah, let's use value. Then we will do result equals new integer client progress. That will be split dot length. Okay, hold on. Where's the quest information? Where is it? Quest reference. There it is. Yeah, let's close this class because it's problematic. So the quest condition only requires one value, which is current count. So all we really need to do is save the current count here in quest progress. So how it will look like is, this is my actor ID. Oh, I forgot to do a foreign key. Let's use a foreign key. Columns actor ID. Reference table will be members at actors. Reference is an actor ID. Save. So, oh, an error occurred. Let's restart then. Actor requests. Actor ID will be, oh nice, just has to fail. 1? Huh? Member actors? Why is it only 1 there? Oh, I forgot one thing. This has to be the ID, not the actor ID, because, okay, that's great. I'm sure I don't have any values here. Then what? Check that column, can't drop. Okay, let's just remove this, add a new one. Member actors and ID. ID not null, auto increment. The selected foreign column does not match the source column. Data type and oh, the actor ID. Yeah, this should work. Check that the column exists. It does exist. What do you mean? Can't drop. Man, this MySQL is very weird. Yeah, this has to be like this and this. Then we choose this. Unsigned. Why is it unsigned? How is it unsigned? Don't do unsigned. Okay, now we try again. If this fails, I will just not use foreign keys. Okay, great. It looks like it's working. Nice. Oh, and of course it fails. Restart application. Okay, let's add a new quest for the actor ID. Which one is mine? Which one is my account here? Yeah, this one is my account 18. Okay, we choose the 18 and the quest ID will be 1 and the progress will be 1, just 1. Result. This should work to like get the conditions fast. And then we should do public static integer. You know what, let's do this. Void player killed. Yeah, player killed. Player, if this boolean is true, that means that this player killed the player. The ID and the victim. If they killed the player, then we see all their quests that have target of killing players. Okay, let's get the entity manager rolled. Hello, world, and this has to stop. It's annoying. Dot active world entity manager. Okay, killer will be entity manager. I will call this manager. Manager get component. stats component. Blades ECS. Components. Okay, great. Entity ID and the component ID constants. Stats component ID. This makes it faster to retrieve. Like 1 million calls to get component will be done in less than 1 millisecond if we use this. If we don't use it, maybe it will take like 5. Okay, the victim, the one we killed. Okay, and it auto fills for us. Victim stats and the killer stats. And here we do killer quests. manager get component, quest manager component, quests. Yeah, I did not add the quest manager ID there. Public const long quest manager ID. That should be enough. Yep, and it autofills for us. Okay, then we loop through all the killer quests. If killer stats, killer quests manager is quests accepted dot count, length is more than greater than 0. I think I have to fix something here. Length. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I do believe it. Yeah, it's like this. So that means if the killer manager quest manager is not null and the quests accepted is more than 0, that means we're not looping for nothing, because if we have to loop on an empty array, that would be pointless. Then we do this. Quests. All the quests that we should check when a player kills another entity. That means we are looking for quests that have a condition of kill. Where's the quest reference? Condition, target type, monster, quest target is kill. Yep, we have it. Target and the target type. Then we also have to check if the victim is the same as the quest target type, which is monster, NPC, player, skill, weapon. If we have a quest that says stalk, then the target would be an NPC. If you have a quest that says kill, then the target would be collect. The target would be an item, but there is no target here because there is a target ID. Items usually don't need a target type, because we already know if it's a collect, that means we're collecting items. Here with you. Yeah, nice. You're still watching. Usually people just leave after the first couple of minutes. No one is interested in this stuff. So many of my live streams I have done over the years, people just watch for a couple of minutes and then they just lose interest or get lost. Okay, the target is upgrade. That means there's a skill or a weapon that can be upgraded. There's a level up. Level up can be used for skill or the player itself. We could have like pets that you can level up and upgrade, but let's do this. Killer quests manager, accepted quests, select, okay, using system.link quest database, using ClashingBlades game, I think, yeah, yep. Get reference, that means that's the quest. Then we get all the references where the quest is not null, and quest conditions has any condition with the target of the quest target would be kill. Let's also make these global, because I don't understand why why are they reference database? I don't think I need to use this, to be honest. Let's just use the same. What's that? Common reference database. Okay, that should give us all the quests this player has that require killing something or someone. Okay, then we just check if these quests are not null, or you know what, let's do it's not null. And the quests dot any the victim has stats component. Oh, I forgot one thing. We need to get the victim information if it's a monster. Yeah, let's just loop. Let's just loop for each quest in quests. If quest target conditions. Oh, let's also loop through the conditions. Quest condition in quest conditions. If quest condition target is kill, we already know that, we don't need to check. If the target type is player, monster. So if the killed object is a player or a monster, and this condition requires us to kill the target we just killed, then we go ahead and say, let's just do a log here, player killer stats, entity ID. But if we you know what, let's just use the entity ID, has killed victim is player. I'm trying to get it to like act fast. It's not showing my my import settings. It's forcing me to write ClashingBlades common utility. If yeah, has killed this victim and progressed quest dot quest ID. You know what, let's use the quest name to condition to, you know what, this is too much. Let's just quest condition Yeah, let's not do any quests. Also in the player itself, quests accepted. Let's do a dictionary. Actually, let's do a dictionary. Int. So that we can easily system dot generics. No. What is called? Collections generic. Yeah, quests accepted. This is the quest ID and this is the yeah, let's do this. This is the quest ID and this is the quest progress. Let's remove this. Count. That way we will say killer quest manager, quests accepted, quest dot quest ID, and the condition is, let's make this for loop. I'm trying to convert this to a for loop. Damn, this sucks, man. There's no auto completion in this. Okay, and the quest condition would be quest.conditions. Oh, it did complete something. Okay, and that would be the quest index, and I will just increment it by 1. Then what we would do is quest database has completed quest ID. Oh no, quest ID. Then we give it killer quest manager, quests accepted, quest ID. I know these are too much reference calls. Yeah, this should just give us if the quest was completed. If the quest was completed, player entity ID has completed. Let's do all caps. Quest. So many exclamation marks. Log. And make it green. Let's use system. Okay, these are too many things right here. If it's null, let's just return. And if this condition is false also, let's just return. Because we don't need all these. Let's also remove these from here. Use one-liners. Man, these are too many. Let's minimize this. Let's also remove this because we have a for loop directly after it. Yeah, this looks better, I would say. We will have to add this here. Then process quest rewards. Okay, this is the entity ID that we should be rewarding. And this is the quest. Should I also give it the quest manager? Okay, let's give it the quest manager. No option for me to create. Quick actions. Great. Nice. Quests manager. Let's call it quest manager, not quests. Now let's process the rewards for each. Oh, what object is this? Oh, get reference q.key. That's why it was not completing anything. Quest reference reward and quest rewards. Switch reward type. I'm sure I have some refactoring here. Oh, I see what's wrong with this. Have to fix my keyboard shortcuts. Where's the keyboard here? Keyboard. Oh, Visual C++6. Visual. Yeah, let's use the resharper. Okay. Still doing the same thing. What's wrong with it? Visual C#. This used to be like Alt and Enter. Now it's Control. Yeah, whatever, man. I'll just add missing case. Okay, if it's experience, then we will grab get the entity manager, stats component, entity. Okay, manager, get component, stats component, entity ID, component, the constants, stats. Okay, stats component, experience plus or equal to reward count. Okay, then we will have to do some check level up. We give it the stats component. In this case, we just don't need anything else. If stats component is null, just return experience so equal 100. For this phase of the game, each level requires 100 experience points. Yeah, and each monster kill will get you about how many? 6 maybe? I remember I made it 6. Send acknowledgement. Yeah, this is the blockchain stuff. Process kill. Yeah, each monster kill will, or each player kill and or monster kill will get you 6 experience points. And if you pass the 100 EXP, you will basically level up. So I will just take this code here. I know this is very wrong, but this will be removed later on. I'm not recycling code, I promise. This, let's import this and everything else. Instead of attacker, let's use component. Entity ID is okay. Stats component. Okay, after you get the reward, we have to send you a message which is used with the world notification. You have leveled up. Oh, not you have leveled up. It will have to be quest. Quest name. Completed. Okay, you completed the quest. You completed the quest. Yeah, let's just use this. You have completed the quest in the quest name. Okay, if you are being awarded in tokens, then we will do stats component. Oh, hold on, we need to get this out. Wait, I forgot where we store this. Yeah, we don't need the stats component actually. We need the user information component. User component ID, user component. Available. Yeah, the tokens available is basically all the tokens you have that you can withdraw from the game. Yeah, and we just give you the tokens. As for items, this will be implemented later. Implement item rewards after inventory. So this is the check level up after you receive experience awards. And yeah, there's also one thing we forgot to add, which is public quest requirements. Quest requirements. Okay, let's call it requirements. So the requirement will be public class. No, let's use structs. There's no need for classes, as these are not going to be changed. They're just reference code. Same for this one. You know what? Let's use class for this because we check if it's null or not. That's worth to keep. Quest requirement. Public integer required level. Public integer required tokens. Public integer required health points. Public integer required learned skills. Public integer required what else is required? So level, tokens. Some quests you will need a specific amount of tokens to accept. In case they give you like large amounts of tokens as a reward, so you will need to have a specific amount of tokens, but you will not be giving the tokens to an NPC or anything. It's just a check to make sure you're qualified. So require learned skills. Let's make this an array so we can have multiple skill IDs. Health points. If you have reached a specific health points, maybe there's a quest for like killing a giant, or a quest just for warriors, because warriors have more health points than wizards, for example. And this can like, or we can also do public E class actor type. I think I warrior, archer. We don't have classes in game. Counter type. I'm sure we do though. Let me double check. Actor ID. Yeah, this is the actor ID. Public num actor class byte warrior wizard archer healer. I wanted to do the healer class. I wanted to call it priest, but I like to keep out religious names out of the game. Actor class acquired class. Yeah, then we basically have like a table here where we define actors and their classes. Required level tokens, learned skills, required damage, which is like total power level. It's calculated somewhere here. Yeah, these are basic calculations for damage and defense. Like we have damage growth per level, which is a float, 2.5, defense growth per level 1.2, health growth per level is 35. This is like general for all types of objects, including monsters. But as for monsters, which is very interesting, I will show you in a minute, maybe less. Take damage. Take damage. How do we... Where is it? I'm sure I had it somewhere. Public. Well, somewhere in here I had the... Oh, there it is. Cast skill. Yeah, when I try to hit a monster, if this monster is higher than me in level or lower than me, they will deal more damage to me. So this is for the monsters themselves. Like if you're higher in level, if they are higher in level than me, they will do more damage to me, just to keep the game balanced. Because before that, a player level 1 player could kill a level 16 monster, which is very unrealistic. In some games, well, I know some people don't really care about this stuff, about the damages and stuff. They just want to kill the monsters. But in this game specifically, if the target level is less than the caster level, the target damage is increased. The caster damage is increased against them. So if the monster is higher than the player, the monster deals more damage to the player. And this spell is used by the players. Calculate spell damage. And we have a target here. Target stats and the caster stats. And if the target is higher than the player, in this case, if the player is the one attacking, not the monster, the target defense will increase. So I will deal less damage, which is randomized basically. Yeah, here I just deal less damage, and their defense is increased by 10 for each level difference. So if I'm level 1 and I'm hitting a level 16 monster, that means the level 16 monster will gain 10 multiplied by 15. defense. I failed math, so I will use the calculator. Yeah, 150. So yeah, the game is very much balanced this way, I would say. And this also allows low-level players to not have like very high damage against high-level players. Oh, this is not my password. Yeah, so I'm level 12 right now. Let's find a high level. I will also mute the game. Let's find a high level orc somewhere. Which one is? Okay, this one is 33. His HP is not that much higher than mine. See how much he's dealing to me? Oh, nice. I attacked another one. I'm just hitting him with 39, 26, very low numbers. 18. Yeah, then I should just run away before I die. So if I go to a monster that is lower than me in level, this one level 9, see, I'm dealing much more damage to them. Okay, now he blocked three of my attacks. See, and their damage to me is quite low. But before this update to the damages and the defenses, player basically could 1v1 a level 40 monster and they would not die basically. And the blocking of attacks helps a lot with things. You see, the guy blocks and then they raise the shield, you know, the blocking animations. Yeah, see, this one is level 4. Also, all monsters have the same chance for blocking your attacks. If I do this, we also have the withdraw panel, where you can see how many monsters you killed, how many players. See, in this account, on this account I killed 221 monsters and gained 1105 tokens. And in this count I also killed 6 players. Each player gives me 10 tokens, so this is an accurate number. Yeah, this is, if you add this up, it will be 1165. We also have an inventory where it shows your tokens, but the inventory mainly will have items here that you can use to equip. But for now, the character spawns with full armor. These items are not your starting armor. These are just here for the players to get an idea of what to expect when the game launches. We also have a 60 FPS mode that raises your FPS to 60. Of course, I'm on my PC right now, so it can run at 500 if I wish. The music sliders and the sound, we can raise the graphics to ultra. It doesn't make much difference really. For some reason the shadows are not drawing. Let's check that out. No shadows. Let's use the scene lighting. I'm sure it was somewhere in the map. Oh, where are the shadows, man? Player, NPC, monster. Why you do not draw shadows? I think it has to do with this object. Receive shadows. It does receive shadows. Well, anyway, could be some of these things. This should cast shadows, but it's a lighting problem. But we should be able to fix it out. Whoa. But overall, I just like the look of it as it is. This was my my target graphic style when I started back in very late 2019. Yeah, let's just leave it at that and get back to the quests. Yep. Requirement. Okay, let's just you know what? I will not do it here. Let's go to the quest manager. Public static pool can accept quest int quest ID. You know what? Let's use int the ID and quest ID. Okay, let's just take these. Stats component, quests manager. Quest reference, quest database, get reference, quest ID. If quest reference is null, we just return false. But if it's not null, then we get the requirements for each variable requirement in quest ref requirements. Oh, by the way, I forgot one very important thing. Requirements in this should not be an array, because we need it. We just have everything in one struct, so we don't really need multiple values. Requirements dot level higher than quest reference. Oh, stats component level turn false. You know what? Let's do let's do an out. Go to the quest reference. Error. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's do an enum. Low level sufficient tokens. No skill. Low damage. Let's also use valid class. Also let's make these bytes so we can transfer them over the network whenever we want. I will also add this integer max level so that player can't exceed this level to accept this quest. So that when a high level player tries to accept a quest that is designed for low level players, which will be very easy for them because they're already high level, they can't do that. Like if for example the kill 10 orc heroes quest, we will have a max level on it for like level 10 or 20. Then you can't accept it anymore because you do not meet the requirements. Let's also use out e quest requirement error. Requirement error. Low level. Let's keep low level as the default value. Requirements. Yeah, let's add one more. Let's call it high level. The client will have its own messages in the code here somewhere, where it will define all these messages. Like for low level, it will have insufficient level requirements, insufficient tokens, no skills, low damage, invalid class. In the high level, it will have text for all of it. Required maximum level is less or equal to the player. Then we will do this. Let's add success as 6. Just when you when you are able to accept the quest. And let's have this as success actually. Requirement error, it will be dot low level, else requirement error equals high level. Here we just return requirement error isn't equal to success. No, equals success. Then that means they can accept the quest. Also, we need these to be just one lines. We need further brackets. Okay, else if requirements required class isn't equal. The stats component should also include the class of the actor, which I will just add here. Public actor class. Actor class. Here actor class is warrior by default. Isn't equal to stats actor class. Error is valid class. Else if. What else? What else we were trying to do? Learned skills, required damage. Yeah, let's do the damage. Damage. Requirement error equals low damage. I'll save. Required damage is higher than the player's damage. Total damage. Required tokens is higher than. Let's also grab the player's user information. Where do we get it from? There it is. User component. Oh no. Yeah, let's get it. The user component tokens available. If the player does not have enough tokens available, they cannot accept this quest. Some quests will give you very, very high rewards. So I think it might be worth it to hold the tokens in game. Later, as we progress with the development of the game, we will provide ways for you to deposit your tokens from your wallet, MetaMask maybe. You just send it to an address and it shows up in your game. Okay, let's just do this. That looks nice. player killed. Also, let's remove these brackets, save some lines. What else? What else? Oh, I forgot something. Where's the skill system? Yeah, there it is. Process kill. Okay, after the kill is processed, then we do a quest manager. Player killed, the entity ID and the target, and if the target is a player, how do we know? Damn. Okay, is player false? Just use as player. But if the dealer is not a player, you know what? I should have something easier to use here. Let's just use this actor type. Actor type. Actor type is player by default. Yeah, instead of instead of like grabbing the user information stuff, because it's, well, we still need it to display the killed player, but we could use the victim. Let's get the victim stats component. Target actor type equals player. So if it's a player, then is player will be true. Okay, dealer is not null. That's the killer. Okay, let's not get this. Let's do this. Is player. Then we grab the player. Only if the player is within 15 levels from our level. If they're not within 15 levels, then that would be bad. To just call get component for no reason, because we still have to check their level against ours. Oh, I forgot we have the victim component as a parameter. Yeah, nice. So now that whenever a player kills another player or any object in game, player or monster, they will notify the quest manager, and the quest manager just processes everything about the quests. Alright, I have been streaming for 1 hour and a half. I will be right back. Alright. The stream has been going great so far. 0 dropped frames. That's impressive. I'm not sure about the quality though. Is it good? Oh. No. Yeah, I need to go back. Yeah, the quality is very nice. Okay, let's use 1080p. Oh. And when I entered in game, what happened? Oh, nice. Doesn't look that bad. Concurrent viewers. I need to somehow like end this. Let's leave this paused and get back to work. So now that we have everything ready on the server side, let's just code some packets for the network. Guys, please don't hack me if you see these packets. Where's the interaction? Yeah, there it is. Var interaction. See interaction. Some reason I feel like I'm messing something up. Okay. Interaction type equals message read value. Yeah, we'll just read. See interaction. Switch. Okay, this is the start and this is the end. Accept quest. Deliver quest. Buy item, sell item, and upgrade spell, because you can upgrade certain spells, like special spells, at NPCs, but the rest of the spells you will have to you can just upgrade anywhere. Also, let's change this from spell to skill, because I call them skills. Spells they kind of remind me of MOBAs. Alright. What else? What else? Yeah, let's code this. Also, let's get the NPC ID. Message read integer. NPC ID will be an entity ID. Monster manager. You'll have to create a new manager called NPC manager. Okay, NPC manager, public static, public, okay, private static dictionary, integer, that's the NPC entity ID. Then we will do NPC, okay, monster data component. Okay, you know what, let's not do a monster data component. Sounds like unwanted mix up. So there is no need to mix up the NPCs and monsters. Let's just create a new component for NPCs. Oh, we have one. Oh, I forgot about that. Game NPCs. New. Public static void initialize. Yeah, that's too clear. For now, we will just add an NPC where the players start, which is this coordinates. Let's just randomize the NPC position every time. Okay, let's not randomize. Let's not do that. So yeah, you will have to just generate an entity. I will just use this. Generate NPC. The NPC ID will be 7. Position. And give it the quests 1, 2, 3, 4. No items. And what else? Yeah, give it the level 100. Health will be U short max value. Defense would be U short dot max value as well. You know what? Let's have the defense calculated normally. Okay, that would be NPC ID, float position X, float position Y, quests, integer, items, level, health. Let's just import. There's no random level, there's no random position. The position would be new vector 3, position X, 0, position Y, and then we go to the map, or world map, sample height, position. Yeah, let's use this. Position X, position Z, Z or Z. Let's also import. Of course it doesn't want to import. Yeah, if the position is an obstacle, we will loop until we find a position that is not an obstacle. So we keep randomizing the position to a maximum of position dot x multiplied by 2. Oh, let's not do 2. 2 is too much. Let's just add 30. You know what? 15. Position dot z, that 15 plus 15. Okay, do vector 3. You know what? Let's do this here. Height. Okay. World will be world dot no active world. Transform component. Okay, monster data will be NPC data component. NPC data. Yeah, the NPC data will also include public integer actor ID, public, just the actor ID really. Don't need much else. Doesn't need all of this, or does it? No, it doesn't. It also doesn't need the levels, just the actor ID, NPC data, NPC ID. The level will be level. What's the stats? Monster stats. Rename this and be. Man, nothing is working. I need the resharper back as soon as possible. Rename. Yeah, there it is. NPC stats. Base health will be health. Interesting. Base health, and this is the health. Yeah, the transform will be position dot x, position dot z, and we return, or you know what, let's just return the monster, the NPC, created NPC position, NPC data. Fix return type. Okay. Game NPCs, npc.entityID equals NPC. So just to recap here, the entity, we create an entity in the world, we give it the components that we need. We also don't need the movement component because this will not be able to move, just a transform, stats, and NPC data. Someone is messaging me. Good evening, guys. Why do you write guys like that? Okay, great. Defense defense will be, the base defense will be just 800. I'm sure someone will get so strong that they can kill an NPC. Just maybe I will have them invincible. But if you kill an NPC, then no one can get quests. Oh, that's fun. Then the NPC has to respawn every 24 hours. And then there will be players that protect the NPC from the ones that are trying to kill him. Oh, that's a nice idea. Okay, let's go to NPC data, quests equals quests, items equals items. Actor ID is 0, items is null, quests is also null. Do I have the NPC component here? Oh, I do not. Yeah, that's nice, I noticed. Let's duplicate NPC data component. Do I have it here anywhere? No. Okay, great. PC data component. Just adding a component pool for this. Component pool actually adds some nice things here. The ACS system. Add component ID, which is component ID system. Alright. Component ID constants. Let's just add the NPC here. Oh, it's there. Nice. One hour 50 minutes, 51 minutes. Yeah, let's close the entity manager for now. Clash system is something that will be revealed later. Movement, where's the interaction? Yeah, there it is. So first we would have to if NPC manager public static pool try get NPC entity, okay, NPC ID out variable, oh not variable, PC data component, return PC's try get value out component. If NPC manager is this, yeah, try get NPC ID. You know what, let's just do this, just return. If there is no NPC, just return. Maybe someone sent the request by accident. Okay, the interaction is, for start, we will be sending the player an interaction acknowledgement, which is here. Private static send interaction ACK entity. Okay, let's use connection ID. And the target information would be pool successful and NPC interaction params object data. Message is new message. NPC world server code NPC interaction ACK. Let's give it the size 128. Usually it does not, it should not exceed that number. Okay, message.write successful. If successful, that means the interaction was successful indeed. Message.write interaction, and then we go loop. Okay, let's do a switch on the interaction missing cases. If it's a start, when data okay. Now we write quests length Should I send the quests first or the items? Yeah, let's send the quests. For integer I, integer less, okay, message to write. This is the quest ID. Let's do the same for items. Items. Yeah, let's just replace all of this. Oh, we also need to send the NPC ID so the player knows which NPC they're receiving this message for. Okay. Okay, if I'm starting the interaction, I would want the player to freeze. Like, I want the player's movement to freeze, so they will not be able to move any longer. If they try to move, they will just not move. So I will get the player movement component, movement equals world active entity manager get component, movement component, entity ID component, constants, movement freeze, movement freeze time would be float max value. That way the player will not be moving anytime soon. That's when we start an interaction, but when we end one, then we do the exact same, but movement freeze is set to 0. This basically allows us to freeze time for the player, well, time for the movement of this player. This is easy to control. This is easy to apply stuns. If a player gets stunned by another player or gets cursed, like they become disabled, can't move, their movement becomes disabled. Yeah, let's do the accept quest, which is important now. Okay, let's read the quest ID. Quest manager can accept quest. Just entity ID, quest ID. Okay, good. Can accept. If can accept. Let's just add this quest to the player itself. Let's do this instead of typing it out. Quest manager component, quest manager ID, QM, quests accepted. Then we add the quest ID equals new integer. We need the quest information actually. Let's return the quest information as well. Out quest reference. Okay, let's do this. Quest ref conditions length. Yeah, so we'll just have an array of empty values. If not, that means we can't accept this quest, and we will have to send to connection ID world operations notification can't accept. Oh, you know what? We don't send that. We actually have to send the requirement error. Send interaction acknowledgement. Connection ID, NPC ID successful is false. Interaction is interaction type. And we send the requirement ID. We also do the same here. Successful interaction. Also here we check if movement freeze time is greater than 0. That means we can't interact with this NPC. Frozen. That means it's a false interaction. Else you can also add the start here, but with different. Yeah, we don't really need to add anything. We just add the interaction here. If it's not successful, it will not get to this part, which is fine. Here we just say closed dialog. On the client side, we will just check if it's an end. That means we closed the dialog. Also accept quest requirement error. Let's not do the requirement error. Let's do quest ID. Oh, not QM. Quest reference, quest ID. When data is not null and the 0 is integer, quest ID. Message write. There is no need for the double cast. Okay, there's also the deliver quest. When we finish a quest and we want to deliver that quest, that's good. Let's go this here. What's this? Oh, that's the text. Quest manager. Oh, not quest manager. Quest database. Finished. Oh, has completed quest. Let's also read the quest ID first. Message read integer. Has completed quest ID. Condition progress. That would be that would be the player's QM. We first check QM quests accepted if it has this quest. We also need to check this here, quests manager. Let's call this already accepted. this will be 7. Contains key quest reference. Oh, let's just use guest ID. Yeah, then requirement error is already accepted. We also need another list. That would be, yeah, let's do an integer array. You know what? Let's do a list. You know what? An integer array. List. Yeah, let's do a list. Integer quests finished. That way we can keep track of the quests this player has finished. So basically what will happen here is whenever the player tries to enter the game, we load all their quests from the database, which is here, actor quests. Then we check with the database if this quest is finished, then we remove the quest from quests accepted and move it to quests finished. Just the ID there. Quests manager dot quests finished contains quest ID. Also, when the player spawns, we need to add this component to their character. Quest manager component. What? Oh, nice. Quest manager component. Quest manager added component. Yeah, I know this is some very bad debugging, but it actually works, so I got no complaints. Okay, this is the database manager that I use and have been using for a while. This I coded back in 2020, 2019 maybe, but it has been very useful. Damn, I missed it. Sir, check DM. No, thank you. Okay, I'm just checking the telegrams. I can get you members. No, I don't need members, man. Thank you very much. What else? Right. Yeah, let's just continue with this. So in 2 hours, we pretty much built an entire quest system. Someone out there was making it out to be this very complex thing, which it is sometimes. But for a simple quest system like this one, we really do not need that much time to implement. So it's just 2 hours implementing the code. We have the requirements set. We have the you know we have the managers, we have the NPCs spawning and stuff. Also, I forgot to add the NPC model in game. player, monster. Let's create a new folder here and call it NPC. So the NPCs are going to be same as monsters, maybe. Create a new tag for the NPCs. I have a layer for them. Player, NPC, monster, and environment. Okay, if I do this, how does the game look like? The game is going to be very bright, despite how it looks like. Yeah, now it looks bright. Let's exclude the environment. Now it should look nice. Yeah, I like this dark look. The dark look is very nice to have. But if I'm going to do this, it should be fine. But the shadow strength is very much low. See, the shadow is not visible because of how the lighting is set up. If we do mixed, it's fine. We can get some light. Yeah, we can get some light going. Just don't want the environment to be affected by the light so much. We can disable this. Where's the baked? Yeah, this one is baked. If I enable this one, and the shadow soft, I think I control the strength of the shadows somewhere here, or in the environment. I do not really know. I don't know much about game clients, guys. Low settings. Okay, low settings have disabled shadows or not. Do cascades. It does not have disabled shadows, just a very low resolution and hard shadows only. But it does have shadows. See? But in ultra you can see the texture quality changes. If we go low, shadows are still there, but they're so much worse. But on my PC I will just play on very high graphics. I would also like to disable this light. You know what, let's just have it enabled. It doesn't do much to us. 0.5. And let's disable this one. I want to see if it looks better now. Okay. Yeah, this one I'm not sure about. Okay, the lighting, it looks a lot better now, but you know, there's this shininess. It's annoying. But we can actually disable it. Let's also disable this message, because yeah, let's use 0.6 for the real-time lighting. And the shadow strength of 0.6 as well. Let's also have it not affect the environment to avoid throwing shadows multiple times. Okay, try get value, quest progress. Oh no, let's close this. Quest progress. If the quest is completed, then what we can do is quest manager, reward, what player killed, where's the reward function? Oh, process quest rewards. Yeah, process quest rewards, entity ID. The quest reference would be quest database reference. It would be the quest ID. And the QM. That way we can just process the rewards, and the quest manager will do its job. Yeah, let's leave it at that for now. Deliver quest, accept quest, end quest. I do remember I had there's a deliver target or not. Some quests will just, you know, deliver themselves. Yeah, has deliver target. If it doesn't have deliver target, oh, quest. Yeah, just deliver the quest if it doesn't have a target. Like if we don't have to go to an NPC to deliver this quest, then just give the reward as soon as it finishes. Okay. Quest database has deliver target. Yeah, all of them don't have a deliver target, which is good for us. Okay, so I added to myself this quest. Quest ID is 1. Progress is, I would set the progress to 0. Okay, and every time you progress a quest, let's just grab the value here, progress. We send you a notification, send to connection. Oh, we don't have a connection. Send to entity ID, world operations, world notification, quest. $, name, progress, that would be quest. Oh, that would be progress +1 and quest dot conditions dot target count. Using static network management. Network is network something, but I forgot what it is. Network message handling. Message handling. Yeah, this one. Send entity. Yeah, it's send entity, not send to entity. Close that. Damn. What else? What else? Oh, Bootstrap database. Yeah, it's in game here. Game Bootstrap. Let's just start the quest database. Initialize. Let's also do spawn message. As soon as we spawn, we just grab the player's quest progress. Public struct the quests, and we ignore the ID. Public integer ID and public integer quest ID. Public string quest progress. Now we do the same here. Oh man, these are too many things in one place. Spells, IDs, spawn packets, everything is in one place. Not good, not good. Okay, load quests. Quests. Okay, let's call it player quests. Database D quests. Select all from actor quests, and the actor ID will actor ID will have to be the character. Where's the character information that we selected? Actor progress. What actor progress? Does it have the ID or not? Yeah, it does. Yeah, this will ignore only on insert when we try to insert. Yeah, let's grab the ID. That ID will be user information, current actor progress, ID, just ID, right? Let me double check. Yeah, that's ID. Also, instead of get data, get database table. That way we get the whole thing, like all quests. You don't leave anything for each for quest and player quests. First we check if the quest exists in the game. Quest database has quest. Quest dot. Oh, hold on. What's this? To list. Oh. Get database table. Ah, I see. Let's wrap this and do to list. Because I have it in async mode. This usually returns a database table object, which then I can use this method here to convert to a normal list. Okay, quest ID. Oh, hold on. Quest ID, not the ID. If it doesn't have this quest, let's implement this method first. Return get reference quest ID isn't equals to null. Whoa, it knows. So if we do not have this quest in the game, we just print out a warning message. Warning. Quest Oh, what? It just wrote everything for me. Whoa, that's creepy. Damn technology. Dark yellow. Oh, dark yellow. You can do this, but can't do that. Okay, dark yellow. Then we go to the database again. Database manager. Execute. New OpenRPG database query. OpenRPG is my framework for making video games. Okay. I'm pretty sure I had delete function here. Why is it not here? Delete, please. Delete. You know what? I'm sure I had one. I was sure I had one. String. Why is it? Oh, nice. So this is not updated. Let me double check where this is. RPG database. That's why it does. RPG game development. Oh, it's in. This should be the updated version actually. Why is it 3.5? Okay, 21 2020, but this should be updated though. Where is it? Base managers. Yeah, let's just fix this. Let's fix this fast. OpenRPG database query. I do have it here. Why is it not reading it? Yep, I do have it. I was sure I had it. String. No way, this does not. How is? Okay, that's kind of weird. Yes, now it's updated. 5.6. Database client. Is it in database client or what? RPG database. Oh, it's not in database client. Execute. Database client. Then it calls the connection, and when we try to execute, it says connection, which is the OpenRPG database. Execute. Dot connection. Execute. Yeah, this should do. Okay. Delete from. The table name is actor quests, where quest ID equals quest ID. Yeah, this will delete this quest for everyone If it doesn't exist on the game, we'll just delete it for everyone, which is risky. Maybe someone commented out that quest, that specific quest, or deleted it from the database. So if someone with a deleted quest logs in game, they will lose all their progress. What we could do is we could ignore this and just display a warning message, but keep the quest progress. Yeah, let's just do that. But if it does exist, then we go to the quest manager, component, quests accepted equals new quest manager component, quests finished is a new list as well. Quests accepted, add this, and then it will be quest manager parse conditions. Nice. And that will be the quest progress. Okay, let's not use add to avoid duplicates. These errors are annoying. Quest. Okay, let's also try something. If quest database has completed quest, quest id, quest manager component, quest accepted, quest id. Then we remove this quest from here. Quest manager dot remove. Oh, quest accepted, remove. Then we add this quest to finished quests. Quest manager component dot quest finished. Add the quest ID. That just does it for us. Okay, when the player spawns, there's a spawn acknowledgement. So it's just a simple struct. It also has the stats struct, which we could do something similar here and say public struct. Yes. World character quests. Public int length. Public int quests. Public. No, let's just use int as well. Quest progress. Public int array as well. Finished quests. Then we just public world character quests. Quests. Nice. Then we will do this here. Quests. Oh, we will add this only for our player, because we don't want everyone to you know, to know what's up. Quests. Quest manager. Build quest list. Quest manager component. I'm relying on the quest manager for everything, which is how it should be. Internal static, let's make it public. Okay. Quest new. Okay, quests equals quest manager. Quests accepted dot keys dot to list. Oh no, to array. Quest progress will be quest manager. Quests accepted values to array as well. Oh, that will be an array of arrays in this case. How do we do this? Oh, that should be just values. Whoa, I'm so stupid. Values returns value collection. It's just cast integer array, right? Should it work or not? Yeah, it does not work. I forgot how we do this. Join, not join. Let's just do an array of integers. I'm sure there's something we can do here. Let's look at the properties. Only count is visible. And there are no methods, only extension methods. Yeah, let's just class manager, class accepted, select many, right? We do this, right? No, we don't do this. Select sure it has some dot values. Yeah, this will also return multidimensional many. Yeah, this should work. Quests, and it shouldn't take long actually, because this will be called only once after you spawn your character. Finished quests will be a lot easier than that. Quests finished to array, return quests. Okay. Tick actually means what? Tick means this is the owner character. Tick is true. Yeah, we just send the spawn packet without ticks or anything. Yeah, this one is for the player and this one for everyone around the player. Yeah, let's just parse. Let's just start parsing. We send the game time and then we send the player stats, quests, message, right? I forgot this. World quests default. Okay, tick is true by default, so we need to disable it. We need to disable it. or you know what, no need to disable it, we will just use owner. Quests length, and message to write. Okay, not bite, but good try. These are the quests. Now it's time for the finished quests. Finished quests. Also finished quests. Is there anything else here? Yeah, quest progress. I forgot about that. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, yeah, actually this should be a multi-dimensional array. I was wrong. I forgot. Yeah, this should be a multi-dimensional array because we have to do this. Message to write. Quest progress, and this is the quest, and we write the length of it. This is how many progresses we have, and then we loop over the progress, which is quest progress. Actually, let's just use this instead of just referencing it many times. Then we loop. Oh, not K. Let's use K. Message.write K. No. Quest progress K. So this should send to the player their own quests, and each quest will come with its own quest list, condition list. So we can safely cast this to be a byte to save some bytes in the network, because the length will not exceed 4, maybe 5 maximum. And I have been arraying what exactly am I looking at? I'm not a coding expert. Yeah, this is, if you're still here, this is just the quest system in ClashingBlades. Yeah, would that have array in 2022? Lol. Yeah, array in 2022. Arrays are very fast. You can do your own benchmarks, and arrays are easy to work with. Arrays are very nice. This is good. Okay, now that we sent the quest list and the finished quests, now it's time to parse all of this on the client side. Let's build so that the client side also gets our updates. And on the spawn spawn message, handle spawn player actor owner. That means I am the owner of this character. We will just create a new UI menu. Yeah, let's call this UI quests public. This will also be a mono behavior. Using Unity engine. Oh, I have been streaming for so long. How's my memory usage? 30 gigabytes. Something is using too much of my memory, and I don't see it. Okay, let's look at the website. What's this? 2 viewers on G. These analytics are nice. ClashingBlades. Oh, ClashingBlades. Versal app. Okay, so this is the new website. It's a one page. Whoa, that looks nice. Yeah, that looks great. Some changes are still pending, but and my face is squashed. That's not my LinkedIn, is it? Yeah, it's not mine. Ether is grayed out. Very nice work. Whoa, news. Careers. Yeah, if anyone out there is interested in joining as a UI artist, 3D quality testers or sound engineers, story writers, and client-side developers, do not hesitate to reach out. We will not pay you, but you will get more experience. Sorry to say. Yeah, let's just use it like this. Okay, we'll just add a method here. Public static void parse quests message. I should not be doing it here, but it's a lot easier than you know, than putting all my code in one basket, all my eggs in one basket, everything in one place. Okay, now we should be getting our message. Yay. Someone is asking me. Yeah, I'm not sure if anyone is still watching until now. Three hours almost. There is the updates. What exactly am I looking at? Yeah, there is the monster updates, which makes it difficult to kill monsters higher than you in level. So the maximum level you can go to kill a monster maybe is 8 levels difference. Higher than that, the monster will be very strong, and it will have very high defense because it increases for by 10 for every level between you. So if a monster is higher than you by 8 levels, that means their defense is increased by 80. Okay, let's read the quests. Quest count equals message read value integer. Okay, let's read the quest. ID is message read value integer as well. Then quest progress message read value byte for integer j. Oh, does it actually? Yeah, it knows. Read integer. Yeah, we just read the progress for now, and then we can finished quests. Then we can display these values later on after we have the UI ready, user interface. Finished quests. Then we just read the message read value, and we read integers because these are finished quests. Okay. Here I go. UI quests. Oh, let me fix this. Move contents to namespace. ClashingBlades. Game UI. Top menus. Right? Or what? Yeah, it's the same. Parse quests. Yeah, just give it the message. It comes right after the stats, right? Where's the stats? Where are the stats? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Now we try it out. Yay, we have quests. One thing we are missing is saving the quest data, like the quest progress. When you accept the quest, we don't save it in the database right away. Let's make this smaller, a bit smaller. This as well. Alright, we need to change the client from connecting to the main server to connect to our local server. True. It's just a value. Yep, let's try this. Oh, yeah, my password here is... Okay, my password is wrong. How? What is my password here? You know what, let's not show my passwords. Okay, I will hide the screen for a little bit to find my password. Oh. Okay, my password was very simple. Okay, now it fails. Which one is oh. Okay. Let's try again. But also at the same time, let's debug this. Yeah, let's debug it here, just to make sure the quests are being loaded. And of course, it's not being loaded. Quest progress does not exist. Yeah, it's not called quest progress. It's called progress. Progress. Yeah, let's try again. Okay. Oh, I did not start the server. Progress. Let's try again. X. Okay. Quests accepted. Whoa, it has. Oh, nice. It loads. First time. It actually loaded from the first time. That's impressive. Okay, there is also one thing I forgot to add to the kill targets, to the quest manager. I just remembered. If the target type is the same and target, okay, quest condition target ID is equal to killer stats actor. Oh, not the killer stats, victim stats. Okay, let's do this. If quest condition target type is monster. If it's a monster, then we get the monster component. Monster component. Manager get component. Monster data component. Victim. Monster. Okay. Component IDs. Constants. Monster. If monster ID, actor ID, isn't equal to quest condition target ID, we also return. Oh, not return. We continue, because another condition may match this one. Okay, let's try this again. Three hours streaming. Okay, it's loading. Everything is loading. I will also have to go here, put some values on the player killed stuff. Where's the monster? Yeah, this one is very high in level. Oh, it's not that high. 34 on this server. Okay, let's kill some monsters and enable 60 FPS. He's blocking too many. Stop. Die. Okay. I see. If the target is a player, but that was not a player. Oh, my bad. In the stats component, I forgot to set the the actor type. That's my fault. Okay, here, stats component, actor type is player. Stats component, actor class is warrior, because only the warrior class exists in game right now. But more will be added. It's not that difficult. Okay, monster data. Oh, not monster data. Monster stats actor type is monster. Oh, monster. Yeah. As for the NPCs, here we give them NPC stats. Actor type is NPC. Okay, let's try again. This time I will kill something lower in level. Yeah, let me just decrease my own level. Don't need to be killing level 30 monsters. They take a while. Okay, 26, 25. I need some low level monsters, please. 16, 18. Where? There should be 1s and 2s here. 11. Which one is here? Okay, 6. Let's kill this one. Okay, hold on, just to make sure that we have the quest target set correctly. Okay, target ID is 4, and this monster is not 4, is it? Yeah, it's 4. Okay, good. Okay. The game just stopped. Is it null? Oh, it's not null. Nice. So it's working or not? Let's find out. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's working. Oh, it's working. Oh no. This is a high level one. Let's run away. Nice, it's working actually. Please don't say you're still chasing me. Fuck. Please. Please go away, man. Thank you. Yeah, let's get back to this one. Let's finish this this quest before we exit the game. Only 9 monsters left. I need some kind of code that allows me to have very high level damage. I'm sure I had it somewhere. Okay, let me check. Where's the chat system? Chat. Handle chat system. Find mob. This for players. Notice. Info. Kick. Speed. I don't have code for increasing my damage. Cheat codes. Okay, let's remove the breakpoints. Now that we know it works, we don't need them anymore. Progress is 10. I need to somehow make the notification the notification border. I need it to be a bit lower than that. Where is it? It should be here. Yeah, canvas notification, and I just need to lower it a bit, make it -100. Where is it? -250. Yeah, that's a lot. -200, -150. Oh, that's the text. I don't know. It feels like it's not in the middle. Right. 50. Oh wait, I know what to do here. I think it's because of this. Let's say 50, 60. Yeah, let's use 60. Okay, great. I will also need to save this. Just copy the component. Okay, let's kill some more monsters. You know what? I have an idea. Where's the skill system? Calculate damage. Yeah, let's just deal infinite damage. What? It's not working. It's not working. Why is it not working? Okay, the actor type is player. Okay, now it's working. Man, I'm cheating. Yeah, there you go. That's faster. We just need to calculate how many we have. 35. Just kick them to kill. Okay, 45. Okay, after this finishes, we should be getting what? Okay, we should be getting 200 tokens. So after we kill one more, we will get 5 and 200. That will be 250 tokens. Let's go. Okay. Okay, I completed the quest, but I don't have the tokens. Where's the tokens? Okay, I have the tokens, but they are not updating in my inventory. Okay, so quest system works. What? Yeah, I expected this to happen. See, I can complete the quest many times. Yay. Okay, so after the quest is completed, we need to remove it from the player. So we will do this. Killer, quest manager, quests accepted, quest ID dot. Oh, we do remove and the quest ID. Then killer quests manager quests finished dot add and the quest ID. Okay, so when it sends the tokens, I needed to update my my inventory as well. The code should be somewhere around here. Update stats. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This will just update my my tokens. So we send this just before the notification. Oh yeah, let's do it here. User component, tokens available. Stats component. Yeah, let's just. Do we update stats as well? Experience. I do not update stats, right? Or do I? I think I should update the stats somewhere here. Yeah, this should be outside of this. Yeah, this updates the stats. Actually, no. Whoa, what? I have 2 checks here for if the experience is higher than 100. This should be here. As soon as we update the experience, we check for level up. And for the items, I think it's done. So we started about 3 hours and a half ago. Started with basically nothing, just a bunch of classes that we expanded on. Now we have a working quest system, and it's only missing NPC quests, like having to accept the quest from an actual NPC, because this one has, see, deliver target. There's no target to deliver this quest to, because we don't have NPCs yet, and this has deliver target is false. I should try this later on. I should also try reach level 10. Actually, let's try reach level 10 right now. Yeah, the condition is target type. The condition target is monster or NPC. Player quest target. Okay, let me double check. What's the target type here? Oh, there is no target type. Target type is player. Let's just use player. And here in check level up, we also check for quests that we might have completed. So we get this. We already have the stats, so we don't need this. Quests manager. Any quest that has any condition that targets level up. If quests is not null, we basically just copy paste this, well, with minor changes. We go to the quest. If the target type is, there's no need for the target type check actually, and there's no need for this. Just need to check if the player has reached a specific level. Quests manager, and we set quest condition target is quest level up. If we are targeting a player to level up, then we say here, all this will be refactored in case someone is watching. Quest condition target if stats component dot level, oh, stats component dot level higher or equal quest condition dot target count. Then what we do is we set the quest progress to the target count. Quest condition target count. But we don't send a progress notification, because this is a level up quest. Or you know what? Let's say let's just send the stats component level target count. Yeah, let's just do that. Quest manager, quest accepted. If it's done, then we do this. Okay, that way, if we have a quest completed, if it isn't equal to, just continue. Just need to keep this clean instead of having too many if conditions. Also, let's do this. Continue. If it's not complete, let's remove this one. Yeah, this is looking a lot better than I thought. Also, let's move this down there so it's like at the bottom. 3 hours 16 minutes. Yeah, that should be all for the level up. Let's do member actors. Where's my character? Yeah, this one. Set it to level 9 and 99 experience. So I just kill one monster and I will level up. Quest is number what? Quest 3, yes. So I will gain experience, 60 experience, and they will gain 1000 tokens. Yeah, let's try this one. Next thing, I will have the quest UI that displays your accepted quests and your progress on them. Should look fine. So now I'm level 9. Need a low level monster. Okay, this one is level 5. Let's kill this one. Okay, you have reached level 10. Oh, check level up does not work because you only call it when there is rewards. Okay. Let's not do this here then. Damn. That sucks. Player static void player level up. Stats component. I will have to grab it. Man. Stats component. Stats component. Stats. Good. Now we go to the skill system. Process skill. So this means I leveled up. And I will just wait. I will just add a timer that waits for 100 milliseconds. So you have time to see this message. You have leveled up. So okay, let's do 200. You will have time before the quest completion message pops up. This will be this should make it look a bit more you know, bit better. This was 60 and 200, right? Yeah, let's keep it here. Yeah, it's actually in the center. Maybe it's just my my eyes, but it's actually centered. Okay, now I'm level 9. Where are the monsters? Now I have 0 Leica. If you're wondering why it didn't save my points, that's because it's not saving. So let's kill a monster. Let's kill a monster. Okay, you have completed the quest, reached level 10. And I got 1000 tokens, 60 experience points, and I can withdraw them. Also, this does not show you how much you earned from quests, which I will add later on. Every time you earn from quests, it will be increased. Okay, let's kill another monster. Now if I exit like this, now my character is saved, and if I enter the game again, now I have my tokens. Okay, let's disable the very high damage. Where is it? Yeah, this. Let's comment it out. Okay, I don't know what to do anymore today. It's 10 p.m. I would like to go eat some cake, get something to drink, and hopefully continue working later. Maybe I will stream again, because I do not sleep yet. Maybe stream again for a couple of hours, just implementing the UI, which is ready actually. Let me see the UI. Oh, the UI is not ready. Oh, it is ready. I do have it here. Let's disable this one. See the quest list canvas. Yeah, no ongoing quests. But if we do have ongoing quests, then this quest 1 will show. Quest 2 will also show, and quest 3 will also show. And if you click on one of these, the quest details pops up. Let's see the quest details. Oh, this is not for these, by the way. This is just for when you click on an NPC quest. You know, it has some information here. Yeah, it tells you some very nice information. And down here it has the accept quest button. Let's use Arial. Okay, let's disable these. Oh. But this is too large for some screens, so I will have to make it a bit smaller. Yeah, this is how it looks like when you what's this? Yeah, this is how it looks like when you try to accept a quest from an NPC. You have the accept button and the exit button if you don't want to if you want to decline. Yeah, we just need to receive the messages from the server and display this. There's not much to it really. Also, there's the paper here if you're interested in knowing what it looks like. So when this paper displays, you just get quest description and the quest title and the rewards, the experience amount, gold, which will be changed to tokens, Let's make it 12. Nah, let's just move it to the left a little bit. Oh, 120. Yeah, that looks decent. And the items down there. Reward item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Yeah. I will disable the items because we will not have item rewards just yet. And I will disable the paper. Also disable the quests themselves. Actually, we should disable the quest itself, the button itself. Abandon quest? Yeah, when you want to abandon a quest. This actually exists. Do you really want to abandon this quest? Yes? No. I'm not sure where the abandon quest button went. Oh, there it is. But it's hidden. See? It's just an X. Doesn't have a text. Yeah. So everything is ready here. The UI and everything is ready. So all we're missing is just implementing it, which I should probably have time to do in the next couple of hours. It should be 12 p.m. 12 a.m. But yeah, I should be awake and I should be able to get it done today. Yeah, I'm just hungry and tired. I need to get something to eat, and they have some delicious cake nearby. I need to get something to drink in this case and eat with cake. Alright then, see ya.